Are you seeing the "this account is currently locked" error on TikTok when using your iPhone? Don't worry, I've got a simple solution for you. In this video, I'll guide you through fixing this issue step by step. Let's dive right in. Here's what you need to do. First, open the Safari browser on your iPhone. Then type TikTok feedback into the search bar and hit search. And select report a problem. Now write your issue in detail. You can use something like this. Hello TikTok team. I'm seeing that "this account is currently locked" error on my TikTok account. I'm not sure why this happened. If I have accidentally violated any community guidelines, I sincerely apologize. Please recheck my account and remove this warning. Here is my account information. Make sure to include your email address and username at the end of your message. Attach a screenshot of the error for reference. Finally, tap Submit. TikTok support team should review your request and get back to you within 48 hours. That's it. I hope this solution helps you fix the "this account is currently locked" error on TikTok. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.